morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Out on the kayak on the river, chasing fall smallmouth. Hopefully they're feeding up for the winter, getting big and fat, and they're gonna bite everything that I'm throwing today. Let's hope. But it's 50 degrees early November. It's fantastic. Supposed to get up to mid 60s today. Had a little bit of rain that pushed through last night. Had a little bit of rain about a week and a half ago that really brought the water level up about half a foot. Actually, I brought up about a foot, but it's come down since. I wasn't able to get out. I was out of the country for work, so wasn't able to fish, but here we are. Now, the only challenge we're gonna have today, other than finding fish, is, as you can hear in the background, there are some hunters out here. It is goose season, so we're gonna try to avoid them, but there are some geese out here. Maybe we can stir them up and send them their way. Very nice guys. Let me just go through, didn't really say much other than good luck. And so, you know, respectful. And that's the way it's got to be, guys, when you're out in public water, sharing the water, sharing the land. That's what you got to be. Just be respectful and things will work out right. So let's get to fishing. Stick with us. See what we can put in the boat. All right, guys, well, I'm on the struggle bus here this morning. I've had one bite. I get to get off the struggle bus. One friggin' bite. Man, really on the struggle bus today. Hit over here, hit that, come down to the community hole. Oh, damn it. Oh, that was a fish. I don't know what the hell that was, but that was a fish. There we go. A nice smallie. Okay. Now we found a few fish. There we go. Had one bite. One, I was on my paddle tail. I had one follow, or it had the tail, and then when I set the hook, he was gone. I saw him, and then I had one big thump over here. I don't know what it was. And then we had that one, so we're off the schneid. right, of course my camera wasn't rolling and I just caught one. And he had a buddy with him. So we're gonna see if we can find another one here. So that's 2 on the day. It has been a grind today, and the wind has picked up here. There we go. I think that was his buddy, because his buddy wasn't as big. That's number 3 on the day. The last one was 14 1/4. This guy's maybe 10, I don't know, 8, something like that. But thank you, buddy. I want to work my way up towards where that water's coming in there. I think they're sitting there waiting to ambush some prey. Plus this is a flat that drops off into a deeper area over there, so there could be some decent ones hanging out. Okay, let's push on out of this stuff. I think there's probably gonna be another one hanging out up in here as I get closer up there. Oh, that was a little guy. All right. He came back for it. Thank you, buddy. What is that? Not as small as those other ones, but he is feisty. Easy, dude. Thank you, brother. Oh. Score is tied. I've lost 4. I've caught, I catch 4 or 5. Oh, nope, I'm up 1. I've lost 4. I've caught 5. There we go. This guy's probably not really net worthy, but kind of what I figured over there. Dark guy. Thank you, buddy. Kind of thinking there would be some over there. Let's see if there's more. All right, everybody, that's where we're going to wrap it up. 6 fish, not the day I was hoping for, but I did find some action and 1 wolf pack that I was able to pick off quite a few fish out of there. But all in all, it was a great morning on the water. I can't complain for early November. The weather's fantastic. But before we go, I do want to flip the camera around and show you something. This, guys, has got to stop. So, look, I get to the loading up my car. Look at this. Garbage. And there be a garbage can. Folks, we've got to clean up after ourselves. We've got to do a better job. Keep our accesses clean, because somebody does own this land. And if we don't respect it, we will lose the ability to use it. So picking up a little trash here as I leave. Make sure you guys take care of the environment and the accesses that you have so that we and our children can enjoy them in the future. If you like today's content, give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you next time.